Welcome back my YouTube channel. In this video we will tell you about iPhone 7 Plus. As you have seen that as soon as we connect the board of iPhone 7 Plus to the supply, then there is a beep sound. Actually, it is a beep sound. She is doing a show in shortage. When we pull out the board, something looks like this. There are some water particles in the board, which shows us that water can also be the cause of the phone shorting. The parts that are showing the shortage of the phone, now we will check them with the help of the diagram. What is their role with the phone? Are these parts directly linked with the processor, or is it related to an IC? We will separate the parts which are burnt due to water from the board. Have to check again by plugging in the supply. After removing the burnt parts, we check it again at the supply, and along with the diagram we are showing you how the connection of the parts that were beeping is going through the diagram. We will replace the components that we took off that were burnt due to water. By replacing the parts, your temperature balance should be normal. Will serve the carbon-built space well. After fitting the motherboard into the frame, we check it with a multimeter for continuity to see if there is any shorting showing. It is not showing any shortage on our multimeter and our phone is booting normally. After that we will check its front back camera, check Wi-Fi, and see the phone normal. We hope you will like our video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel please. And press the accompanying bell icon to get to each new video upload first.